It's only 5. Let me sleep.
Yeah, it's 5 p.m.
Ugh, I wish I was a plant. All I have to do is stay still and enjoy the sunshine. H2O, why did we evolve so we had to move?
You tell me.
Well, you can find more food.
Oh, you're right, Plasma.
You can also escape from danger.
Very true as well.
There are 2 more benefits. Searching for mates and migration.
Oh, okay, that is useful for some organisms.
We are talking about locomotion though, not movement. Technically, plants do move as well. For example, they move to bend towards the light.
Oh, right.
What's the difference between locomotion and movement?
Let's ask our viewer. Hi, we know you're watching this video. Have a guess at the question. You're allowed to watch a bit further into the video to work out the answer. Share your answer in the comments. We'll reveal the answer in a future post.
You still haven't told us what the difference is.
Locomotion is a type of movement where the organism moves from one place to another. The other movements are within the body, such as your heart pumping blood. All organisms move, but not all can move from place to place.
Oh.
If you cannot move from place to place, you are sessile. If you can, you are motile.
Alright, let me recreate the previous scene with proper terminology. Ugh, I wish I was a plant. H2O, why did we evolve locomotion and had to be sessile organisms?
Yeah, I don't think anyone speaks like that.
I'm interested though. How am I even able to move?
Well, you have muscles.
Technically, you need muscles and bones. Let's go to the lab. This is a model of a human arm. The blocks mimic your bones and the strings mimic your muscles.
Can you pull this? Whoa!
That's how you lift your arm.
What if you want to go the other way? Hey, it won't move. Plasma, stop pulling it!
Oops, sorry.
Whoa! Can't you be more gentle?
Let's go to a safer space. You just demonstrated that muscles are antagonistic.
What does that mean?
Use your brain. What does the word sound like?
Antagonistic, anti, maybe opposite?
Oh, so it means they pull in opposite directions?
Exactly.
Praise me for using my brain.
Well done for using your brain.
Thank you, thank you.
An important example of an antagonistic pair of muscles are your intercostal muscles.
Which are those?
The muscles between your ribs. They help to move your rib cage when you breathe in and out. There are internal and external intercostal muscles.
Let me guess. The external intercostal muscles help you breathe in and the internal ones help you breathe out?
Correct. Wait, where's Plasma?
There.
Plasma, don't play with it too much.
Why? It's so fun.
Look what you did, Plasma. The bones are wearing off.
Oh, that's scary. Wait. Campbell, is your elbow wearing off the same way?
Don't touch my arm. I don't want my bones to wear off.
Don't worry. This is just a model. Real joints don't wear off as easily as this.
Are you sure?
Let's look at a real joint to see this.
Real joints? Where are you gonna get that from?
We can buy it. Relax, I meant joints from chicken wings. A warning to viewers though. You are about to see real footage of muscles and bones. You can skip this part if you feel uncomfortable watching it. Here's a chicken wing. Now let's take the skin off.
Oh, I can see muscles now.
Let's take those off as well. Now you can see the joint. This is a synovial joint because it can move.
Wait, there are joints that don't move?
Yeah, such as the ones in your skull. Synovial joints have a synovial capsule like this one. Inside, there's synovial fluid, which helps lubricate the joint.
What's that white stuff on the bone?
That's cartilage. It helps protect the ends of the bones.
Oh, so my elbow is safe.
Muscles are attached to bones by tendons. You can see another tendon here. And finally, ligaments join bones together. There are different types of synovial joints. Some are hinge joints, meaning they can only move back and forth in one direction. Others are ball and socket joints.
Can you guys stop touching my arms?
Which have a greater range of motion.
I was thinking, how do muscles actually contract? Because I'm assuming they don't have anyone pulling on the muscle.
Great question. Muscles are made of muscle cells, which have a special name called muscle fibers. Each muscle fiber contains many smaller units called myofibrils.
Well, that's a complicated cell.
Wait for it. Each myofibril is made of sarcomeres. This is how a sarcomere looks like. There are two proteins involved, actin and myosin. Myosin has myosin heads, which attach and detach from actin to make the sarcomere shorter. Do you want me to go into the specifics? Yeah, it's quite long. But there are some good videos out there that explain it. Have a look at this video, for example, or search sliding filament theory. I'll also put the link in the description.
Is this how sarcomeres look in real life?
It is. That's a picture taken using an electron microscope. Here's a question for you. How would regions PQ and RS change when the muscle relaxes?
Ugh, I don't know. I've never seen something like that before.
Yes, you have. Just in a slightly different format.
Oh, I see it now.
Let me think. So when the muscle relaxes, PQ would stay the same and RS would get wider.
Perfect! Wait, what happens when you stretch the muscle though? Does the sarcomere just fall apart?
Now, we have tighten. This keeps the muscles from overstretching. It also helps the muscle contract and holds the actin and myosin in place.
Phew!
When does all of this happen though? How do sarcomeres know they need to shorten?
You control it. The muscle fibers are connected to motor neurons, which are connected to your brain. When your brain sends a signal, the neuron will release a chemical called acetylcholine. This will cause the muscle fibers to contract.
Wait, that makes sense.
Wait! If you're an IB Biology HO student, we have something else for you.
There's a final subtopic you need to know for this topic.
Adaptations for swimming in marine animals. We couldn't fit it into the plot of this video because it was just so random.
It's quite straightforward though. If you can answer this question, you know the entire topic. Explain how marine mammals are adapted for movement in the water. Pause the video, answer the question, and press play when you're ready to know the answer.